You are standing in front of your audience. You start to speak, and somehow the connection is just not there. There's something that's not syncing. I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. The reason why there's no connection there has to do with attunement. To be attuned to something means to be emotionally invested. So yes, there is the usual thing that you have to know your audience, who you're speaking to, and so on. But there is such a thing as attunement when things are syncing. And there are times when you're delivering a speech or a workshop that the attunement is not there. And at that very moment, you have to find a common ground, something that the audience can connect to. So you have to think of themes that are general, that everybody could relate to. And sometimes what I do when I speak and I see that there's that lack of attunement, I'll bring my family into it, I'll bring my work life into it, I'll bring my neighborhood, anything that is general for anyone. And before you know it, everybody starts laughing, the attunement comes back, and you're ready to go. I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. And remember, build your arsenal, break the barriers, step up and dare to be the challenger, the initiator, and the change agent that you were meant to be. Until next time. Let's see, there we go.